up, everybody? Welcome back to another freaking beautiful evening on the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday rider. This evening, I got my boy here on the old Yamaha. So we're just going for a little cruise. Don't know where we're going yet, but we'll figure it out. Probably to the ball or something. But yeah, he did a few things to his bike. Got a new light. Ooh, sick. I told you. Yeah, his brakes don't freaking work. I told you. Bro, it shoots flames. It shoots flames. Yeah, he put a new light on there and some other stuff. And blinkers and whatnot. So it looks a lot better than it did, actually. And he got some helmet, his helmet and freaking gear. So that's good. And a new freaking exhaust tip that's big as crap and it's gonna, or he already has scraped it, so I don't know about that, but yeah, freaking weather is great. It's actually a little chilly right now. It's probably gonna get down to the 50s later tonight. So finally time for fall, baby. Woo! Yeehaw! But yeah, he's slowly fixing up his bike to make it better. He's still got to fix those oil leaks, but he's got the gaskets on the way. They're just going to take a while to come, you know, from China. Pa-pow! But yeah, freaking little night cruise. Don't mind if I do. He looks sick though. Looks like freaking Batman. But yeah, we got a pretty little sunset. It don't work. He's saying his speedometer ain't working because one of the magnets fell off or something. He took the wheel off to paint the forks, and I think one of the freaking magnets fell off of his speedometer thing. Bro's like counter leaning right now. I need to tell him that. It's okay, I'm not a professional either, but dang, bro, his thing popping and banging like mine. He ain't even got a tune on it. Looks so sick right now. Bro, it freaking has flames. Yeah.
The speedometer is half. It goes halfway.
I told you.
So when I'm going 20, I'm going 40.
I told you, bro.
I was like, yeah, I'm like, what the?
Yeah, one of the magnets fell off, so it's only half his speed. That's funny. Sounds good. And it does freaking shoot flames, god dang. That's sick. He was telling me, he's like, I put the new exhaust on, it doesn't shoot flames anymore. And I was like, it probably does, you just can't see it. And it freaking does, yes sir. Yeah, his... Oh, never mind. Okay. His blinker don't flash, but hey, at least he's got a blinker. Or not a blinker, just an indicator, I guess. What the? Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. Oh yeah, but I had a freaking great trip in New York. The weather was awesome. It was low-key, like, warmer than it is in Georgia last week. I don't know how. Well, I guess it wasn't. But like, as opposed to this week, it was warmer in New York last week than it is here this week. But it's also colder in New York now, so I don't freaking know, man. But yeah, I saw like everything I wanted to see, and it was sick. That thing is running weird. Okay, time to go. But yeah, I saw like the friggin' Empire State, Rockefeller Center, Brooklyn Bridge, the One World Trade Center, the Flatiron Building, Times Square, obviously. And our hotel was like right in Times Square, so that was really cool. Rabbit Hill Park. All the kids playing soccer or whatever, lacrosse, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, New York was freaking sick. I really enjoyed it, but I would not want to stay there for any longer than I did. Because, yeah, I started getting tired by the time we left, so it was like the perfect amount. It was just like a long weekend, pretty much. Not gonna ride too aggressive, because these are still pretty new. But I got some pretty chill back roads. Oh, god dang. Manhole cover. Ow, bro, I just got hit by a freaking massive bug. This bike is, or this freaking road is not very smooth. What is bro doing? Trying to crash or something? Don't know where we're going. Restaurant, maybe? Or just a little cut through road. Shklatskis. What the frick does that even say? Freaking bike keeps shutting off. I need to tune it. Where the frick are we right now? I don't even know. Yeah. freaking thing idles loud. What's all that movement back there? Haha! Sick. Bro, I swear to God. Freaking run, please. I can't even hear mine because this is so loud. Freaking straight pipe. Oh wait, I know where we are. Dang, bro, it took us pretty far. But at least we're right beside 85. Put it in neutral, bro! Bro! You were fine anyway. Yo! That ain't right, man. Bro, did definitely not make that. Where the mellow mushroom at? Up here, maybe? I don't freaking know. Ooh, clean little Beamer. Ah, there it is. I know where we finna park though. Yo, what the frick?
That's cool.
Hey, we don't need to block him though.
Huh?
We don't need to block him though.
I know, I'm trying to find a way to just go in the...
Here, I'll just go in the middle and you go behind me. What the frick we got here? F900 and a something else. Doo.
What you doing, homeboy?
I'm trying to get lined up. Sheesh. Oh, SV650 and a F900. Look at that little thumbnail. Do this. Do something. This is my thumbnail. Yeah. Closer. Yeah. Sick. Yo, you good?
Yeah, I had to adjust my earbud. Gotta fall out.
Okay. Probably get gas too.
I'll check my gun.
Yo, we're getting on the highway. Is that fine? For like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be going like crazy fast.
Woo, bike looking sexy. Woo, nice Audi. Man, what the frick? What? Bro, go inside or something. Do these not work with your phone? Bring your freaking wallet. What are you doing? Yo, what the?
I don't know where it is. I freaking lost my wallet, bro.
What?
Yeah. I think it's in my laundry.
Bro, are you freaking retarded? Bro, look at this thing.
That's sick. Here, let me just pull up when you're done. I'll throw just like
No, you won't, bruh.
It's like 1 gallon, bro. I'm like 3/4.
This guy. You gonna Venmo me, big dog?
I will, bro. It's only like $5.
Yeah, I know. $5 too much.
I just paid for your dinner, brother.
Huh?
I just paid for your dinner, by the way.
Oh yeah, you're right. I got you. Nope. There's cops. Yep, there's cops. What the frick, bruh? No. Okay, there's cops. So that's a no-go. Gotta hide in here. Frick, bruh.